Welcome to the DeltaMath tutorial solution. Here we will be covering graphing parabolas level 1. It says to graph the following equation, y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 15 on the accommodating set of axes. You must plot 5 points including the roots and the vertex. Alright, so let's take a look here. We're going to just use Desmos to make our life so much easier. And we just type in the way we see it. Y is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 15. All right, let's zoom in to help us out. So they want us to find the 5 points. So very easy. Touch the smaller where the graph curves or turns, which is the vertex, which is 4 comma negative 1. Then I would select the 2 points here in which it is the vertex. So the first one would be 4 negative 1. Then the second one is 5 0 and 3 0. Okay, some other points that I would select are, let's see if this is perfect. Yep, I have the y-axis. Oh, that's way too big, so I can't. So some other points I could pick. Let's see, are there any neat ones? Let's see. That looks good. Let's see. Well, it looks like 6 3 is a good one. So 6 3 looks like a good one. And what's the other one here? This is 2 3. So 2 3, right? Wait, let's do that one more time. So I have 2 3 as a good one, and I have 6 3. So 6. Oh, so it was 6 3 and 3 6. Okay, so it should look like that. Okay, you see how it's perfectly like a parabola, and you hit submit. There you go. The way they do it is they just plugged in a set of points, and I'm going to show you how to do that next if you would like. But again, your life is so much easier if you could just use Desmos. All right, there you go. Okay, let's do one more problem. All right, so let's graph this. So negative x squared plus 10x minus 16. All right, so our vertex here is 5 9. So 5 9. Our 2 points here are 2 comma 0 and 8 comma 0. Then let's see, we could pick any other neat points. Ooh, that looks right. 4 looks like 4 8 is one of them. Therefore 6 8 should also work. So 4 8.4 comma 8 and 6 comma 8. Right, there you go, and there you go. Those should work out. All right, if you would like to see how I did it, I can just plug it in here if you would like to see. All right, so I know that I can plug in these values to figure out what y is, right? So y is equal to negative x squared plus 10x plus minus 16. Okay, so I want to let my x equals to 4. So let x equal to 4. Okay, so what was my y? So negative y, x was 4 squared plus 16. And this should be a 4 minus 16. Okay, again, you can plug this into a calculator or you can just use Desmos. So let me bring up Desmos scientific calculator. All right. Okay, and let's see where Desmos scientific calculator is. Right here. Okay, so let's just plug it in Desmos because I don't want to deal with it. I have a negative parentheses 4 squared plus 16 parentheses 4 minus 16. You see how I enter it the exact way I see it? And it says it's 32. Okay, is that 32? That's not right. Did I plug it in right? Negative 4 squared. Oh, this is a 10. right? Yeah, that's a 10x. Yep. So is that 10x? It should be a 10, not a 16. That should be a 10. I wrote it wrong. That's a 10. So do you see how y is equal to 8? So y was equal to 8. So the point here, it is x comma y. So it is 4 comma 8. All right. But again, you can just use Desmos to make your life easier because Desmos will give you it. So you look at that point 4. It is at the point 4 comma 8 right there. Okay. So you could hit submit. And there you go. And right here, when we plugged in 4, we got the value of 8 as the y. All right, so there you go. That is how you graph the parabola by finding your points.